Hey everyone, what's up? I'm your host, Monica Ortega, and today I'm going to be showing you some epic Arizona adventures. Let's do it! Arizona is a state full of adventures. Our guides Tim and Owen from REI Adventures took us out for a fun-filled day around Tempe, biking, kayaking, and later, dinner with a view. With an average of almost 300 days of sunshine, Arizona is a year-round destination. And with trips varying in length and difficulty, REI has an adventure for everyone. After our morning biking around Tempe Town Lake, we headed to Canyon Lake for some afternoon kayaking. So we're out here for another afternoon adventure with REI. Our guides have brought us to Canyon Lake and the views here are insane. Check it out. We finished off our adventure day with a home-cooked meal from our guides, epic views of the Superstition Mountains, and campfire tales of the missing gold in these hills. Between our REI adventures and Arizona's natural beauty, this is an experience I highly recommend.